Y'all, I want to build my Nana babies a Easter basket. We're at Hobby Lobby for baskets.
A few aisles right here. Straight ahead.
Okay, thank you.
About 5 aisles, I think.
Ooh, that's $18.99. But it's 40% off. I want to make an Easter basket. Oh, these are only $10. I think I like this. I like this. And that way they can always have it and use it again and again. We need one for the baby. She's 3 years old. One. So is this the same size? Oh no, that's a smaller one. I don't know. This might actually be good for my makeup stuff. But this ain't gonna be big enough, I don't think. Because that means I would have to do appearance. Are you turning that into an Easter basket?
Yes.
Ooh, girl, I'm doing the same thing. And I figured I would take these.
Too,
yeah, and I figured I would take the box, fill it up, and then I would put the candy portion in here and set it up there and then just wrap it in the plastic with the tight little bow on it. I said, okay, I was just trying to make sure we was thinking alike. That's super cute. I guess we go with one of those. And so I'm like, oh my God, my Nana baby's gonna love it. Oh my goodness, this is the only one. And I got two.
There's a smaller one.
But I wanted this size because I want to buy clothes and I don't want to really give them all snacks and say, hey mom, I'm going to help them riden their teeth and then you're going to pay for it. No, I don't do that. I want to make sure that whatever I get them, they can utilize it after Easter. I'm telling you, girl, I'm getting a little purse because I got girls, so they like to have their little handbags and some slippers, some socks, some undies, and an outfit to make sure they match when I go take my Easter pictures as Nana, and get them a little snack, babe. They're going to have their events anyway. That's extra money that the parents have to spend. I just want to make sure that you use what I'm giving you.
You know, I think you guys are overly enthused.
We are. That's what we do. Yeah, just that's what we do, honey. I'm just gonna be real with you, and we gonna be all the way in there, from the bow tie to the little plastic we wrap around, all that. We doing it. Enjoy. Thank you.